Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make jagaimo no soboloni. It's potato braised with ground pork. Simple and easy to make, but very rich and satisfying dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this jagaimo no soboloni, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 800 grams of potatoes, 200 grams of ground pork, 2 tablespoons each of mirin, soy sauce and sake, and 1 tablespoon each of sugar and hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Let's peel and cut the potatoes. Peeled and washed. Remove the eyes if there is any. Then cut them into chunks. The bigger one into 4. And the smaller one into 2. Try not to make it too small. Heat up the pot over medium to medium-high heat and let's cook the pork first. No oil needed. Fat will come out from the pork. Once the pork is browned, add potatoes. And keep cooking until the potato is coated with the fat from the pork. Now the potatoes are glossy and slightly clear on the edge. Add 200 ml of water and all these seasonings. Mirin, sake, soy sauce, sugar, and hondashi. Give it a stir. Cover with the lid and cook for 10 minutes. The heat is medium to medium-high all the way through. Cooked for 10 minutes. And potatoes are well cooked. But it's a bit soupy, so let's cook another 5 minutes with the lid off this time to cook down the broth. Cooked for 5 minutes and it's nice and thick. Turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. And じゃがいものそぼろ煮 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The beauty of the dish is the potatoes soaked up the salty sweet and porky broth. The pork is working like a umami booster and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. じゃがいものそぼろ煮 is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and 卵とわかめのスープ here to add little more protein to the meal. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about umashio kyabetu for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.